peace. It's something we all hope for, but most of us feel it's up to the world leaders to achieve it and not us. But there is a young 12-year-old in town, Prahlada, who's urging all children to speak out about peace. Prahlada's already pretty well known for his songs with a peace theme, and tomorrow EMI Records are releasing Prahlada's single, We Want to See the 21st Century. And this video clip has been made to go with it. We'll be talking to Prahlada in a moment.
Mr. Reagan, won't you please hear me? As a Russian, to let all our friends be free. We don't want them to be persecuted. They are so tired of always being mistreated. There's a feeling that's in the children. The future means we all need freedom. 'Cause we all want to see the start of the 21st century.
Love that chorus. It's really beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
What inspired your songs for peace, Prahlada?
Well, I watched many documentaries on Martin Luther King and Kennedy, and also songs like We Are the World by Lionel Richie. And so in the International Year of Peace last year, I thought that maybe I would also try to give my contribution.
Yeah, I noticed in one of your songs, the words go something like, he came to me. Now, was this also inspiration, you think?
Yeah, that's referring to the inspirement from Kennedy, and also from the movement, our movement's founder Acharya, Srila Prabhupada.
Yeah. So this is the sort of Hare Krishna drive for peace, is it?
Yeah.
Now, interestingly, you went with your mother and father, who are members of the Hare Krishna movement, I take it.
Yeah.
You went to India?
Yeah, I went to India for 3 years.
And to study what?
I was studying just, English, maths and arithmetic, and also Indian culture.
And why were your parents there, looking at the situation in India?
Yeah, like
Or
that.
were they studying, does the Hare
They
Krishna...
were also studying, Hare Krishna lifestyle and culture like that.
Yeah, which began in India.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, you mentioned also Kennedy. So do you get involved in politics? You know about Reagan, Kennedy,
Well,
Gorbachev?
we have social studies in our curriculum, and we discuss things like that.
Do you?
Yeah.
And what do you think is the problem about peace in the world?
Well, everyone has to unite together and form like a body, like we're all God's children. So we all have to look at each other as brothers and sisters and come together, unite together.
So it really starts at home.
Yeah.
If you're peaceful at home, then it spreads a little bit, you think?
Peace like charity begins at home.
That's very good. Is that one of your things that you learn at school?
Yeah.
What is your school like? Tell us about it.
Well, our school, we learn everything that is learnt in a normal school, but also with our Hare Krishna studies.
And you sing and dance?
Yeah, we sing and dance.
And play the dingle dangles, or whatever they call them?
Yeah, cartels.
Cartels.
Yeah.
Why don't they come out on the streets anymore in Melbourne?
I think because we're working on our Moomba float. I'm very busy working on the Moomba float, so we don't have time to come out.
And that's going to be something really extravagant, is it?
Yes.
Tell me, you're a very happy boy. You don't just do schoolwork at your camp at Murwillumbah. What do you do?
Well, in the afternoons, see, we have a 6-day school.
Yeah.
And so in the afternoons, we have free time, rather than having us 5 days and work also in the afternoon.
You have your own cows and grow your own vegetables and everything?
Yeah, so in the afternoons we go help in the garden, or we milk the cows.
Can you milk a cow?
Yeah, I can milk a cow.
Fantastic. I wish we had a cow here. But I want to go back to the end of that song because I like the bit where all the children come in. Can we just have a listen to this?
Okay.